it's that time of year again. We are all making lists of our New Year's resolutions for our health, our finances, hobbies, relationships, everything in between. What we often forget about though when we're making these resolutions is to include our home in them. Happy New Year and welcome to the Fairway Mid-Atlantic YouTube channel. My name is Michaela and today we're talking about making New Year's resolutions for your home. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every Friday all about the home buying process, real estate, the mortgage process, and everything in between, so you don't want to miss out on that stuff. We want to help you reach home ownership in 2022, and we would absolutely love it if you would join us here every Friday on this channel. Now let's hop into it. We spend the majority of our time in our homes, especially after the last 2 years. Making goals to refresh your home, keep up with your home, or even upgrade your home should be a part of your New Year's resolutions. Right in line with going to bed earlier or implementing some sort of new time blocking strategy to improve your productivity. Whatever your New Year's resolutions are, you should have some for your home. So tell us in the comments really quickly what some of your New Year's resolutions are and whether you're thinking about including something about your home in them. We would love to know. But today we're going to be talking about 3 big resolutions that you can make for your home this year as a homeowner, and one that you could start working on if homeownership is something you would like to achieve in 2022. And the first one is deciding if and when you're going to refinance your home if you are a current homeowner. So one thing we have said over and over again is today's rates are as low as they have ever been. They are incredibly historically low still. They are not the same rates as they were in 2020 or even 2021, but they are still relatively low. So if you're a homeowner and didn't fall into the trend of refinancing your home during COVID, the height of COVID, there's still time for you to consider this option. Rates are expected to continue rising in 2022, reaching nearly 3.6%, around 4% by the end of the year. This shouldn't steer you away from possibly refinancing because again, these rates are still low. And if you bought your home several years ago, there's a good chance that they're much lower than the rate that you bought your home on. There are a lot of benefits that come with refinancing your home, from cashing in to invest in other financial decisions to even locking in a lower rate. Take a look at your current home financing situation with your loan officer and have them walk you through what the process of refinancing your home would look like and whether it's a smart choice for you and your family. Again, this is a personal decision, and just because everybody else is refinancing their home doesn't mean that it's the best decision for you. But we do believe that now is the time to seize the opportunity if this is something that you're considering. So put a date on it when you want to make this decision by, because again, rates are never going to be as good as they are today. Make smart renovation project plans. So the rise of DIY projects and home renovations was one of the biggest trends to come out of 2020 and 2021 due to being at home so much in the pandemic and having so much time. And while it's certainly appealing to watch all of these influencers on your Instagram or YouTube upgrade their home by themselves and turn them into their dream Pinterest boards, that isn't necessarily always the smartest decision as a homeowner, because not all renovation projects are built the same. So before diving into a project to improve or upgrade your home, you should ask yourself these questions. Do you need or want to do this? There's a big difference there. Do I have the budget to complete this project, or is it worth even saving for? Because renovation projects, when done correctly, can really add up. And the last one is, does this add value to my home, or is it simply decorative? That is maybe one of the most important ones. So really take time to consider if a renovation project is the best decision financially and personally. These projects that you're considering doing yourself can often take more time than you allot for, especially if you're contracting out and having other people complete them for you. But once you do decide if this is something that you want to do and you've answered these questions, of whether it adds value to your home and is worth saving for and paying for and investing into your home, then you want to make sure that you're also investing in the right tools or the right services or the right help to ensure that these projects are done correctly and safely. This will ultimately save you a lot of headaches down the road while making your space as beautiful as you want it to be, and could also increase the selling value of your home down the road if that's something that you're thinking about. The third one is commit to routine maintenance. Now, this one may seem like a small resolution to make because as a homeowner, you should absolutely be keeping up with your maintenance. But it is small chore-like things that you should be keeping up with, and they can often fall to the wayside. So this year, commit to sticking to the routine maintenance to keep your home at its best possible shape. It's definitely not the most glamorous side of being a homeowner, cleaning out your gutters or keeping up with your lawn or changing air filters, but again, it keeps your home in its best possible shape. Ultimately, these little things that you do seasonally, like cleaning your gutters, cleaning out dead trees, replacing filters, painting trim, etc., can save you a lot of bigger problems down the road. You can even work some of these into your budget and tackle 2 resolutions at once. And the last resolution that we have, if homeownership is something that you'd like to achieve in 2022, is saving for your down payment, your closing costs, and new furniture. Now, if one of your big goals for 2022 is to achieve homeownership for the first time, or even if you're looking to move from your first home, you should make your moves now. We went over how to plan for homeownership in our last video of 2022 that we'll pop a link to here. But if you're looking for the best place to start, then saving for your down payment, your closing costs, and new furniture are definitely the way to go, as they are the costliest upfront fees that you're going to pay when purchasing a home. Make a plan that works to you to start saving where you can. Put a number on your goal and include things like a new couch, a new bedroom set, kitchen appliances, to ensure that when the time comes, you've got all of your bases covered. We aren't necessarily going to tell you exactly how you should budget or save your money or anything like that, but it's something that you should start thinking about, and if you have more questions about, you can certainly head to our website at fairwaymidatlantic.com and connect with one of our loan officers who will be more than glad to give you some advice and even point you towards professional financial planners to help you make these plans. These resolutions will be sure to help you make the most of your home this year. Creating a space that we feel comfortable in physically, emotionally, and financially plays a huge part in finding success in the other goals that we're making. So we hope you'll consider adding these resolutions to your list for the new year. And if you're looking for more information on refinancing your home or starting the home buying process, then again, head to our website and connect with one of our loan officers today. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if this is something you'd like to see more of from us. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Again, we post new videos every week about the home buying process, mortgage process, real estate, and so much more. So thanks again, and we'll see you.